Welcome to the AI income revolution here on CoinCrafts. What if I told you the secret to making $1,000 daily isn't working harder but working smarter with artificial intelligence? Today I'm revealing 5 extraordinary AI tools that have completely transformed my online business. These aren't just time savers, they're money-making machines that can generate authentic human faces, write compelling content, produce studio-quality voiceovers, create professional videos, and polish your writing to perfection. I've personally used this exact system to go from $5 to $500 per day, and I'm going to walk you through every step. Let's start with what might be the most shocking AI tool: generated photos. This isn't just another stock photo site. We're talking about completely unique, AI-generated human faces that don't exist anywhere in the real world. Here's why this changes everything for online businesses. No more expensive model fees, no awkward stock photos, no worrying about usage rights. I've created an entire library of 200+ model faces in just 3 hours, each customizable by age, ethnicity, emotion, and style. My e-commerce clients pay me $300 weekly for custom model packs, and my YouTube thumbnails now convert 40% better using these AI-generated faces. The key is in the details. Notice how I'm adjusting the professionalism slider for corporate clients versus the approachable setting for lifestyle brands. Now let's talk about the AI writer that replaced my entire content team to Writer Me. This isn't just another basic text generator. When properly trained with advanced prompts, it can produce marketing copy that converts better than most human writers. Watch as I demonstrate my exact process. First, I feed it my brand voice guide and customer avatar details. Then I layer in psychological triggers and SEO keywords. Within 90 seconds, we have a 2,000-word blog post that would normally take me 4 hours to write. But here's the real secret: I've programmed Writer Me to follow my proven content formulas that consistently generate sales. My AI-written articles now earn $1,000 to $100 monthly from AdSense alone, not counting the affiliate sales and leads they generate. Imagine having access to professional voiceover talent anytime, for any project, without the studio fees. That's Play HD, the AI voice technology. So realistic it's being used by major YouTube channels and advertising agencies. What most people miss is the advanced customization possible. I'll show you how to take a flat, robotic reading and transform it into a dynamic performance by adjusting emphasis points, pacing variations, and even adding subtle breathe-in sounds. My explainer videos now get 30% more watch time using these techniques. The real game changer: creating multiple voice personas. My trusted expert voice for financial content converts 22% better than my standard narration. In video is where all our AI assets come together into money-making videos. This isn't just basic video editing, we're talking about transforming text into professional-grade content in minutes. My on an hour to 10 videos system works like this. First, we import our AI-written script, then apply our branded template with one click. The AI automatically suggests relevant visuals from our generated photos library. It perfectly times the Play HD voiceover to the visuals. Finally, it inserts click-worthy chord as at the optimal moments. This system now produces 50 YouTube shorts monthly that earn $3,200, plus another $1,500 from blog videos, all with about 5 hours of my time each week. Grammarly Premium is the secret weapon you're not using to its full potential. Begin fixing typos. It's my 24/7 writing coach that ensures every piece of content from emails to video scripts communicates with maximum impact. The tone detection feature alone has helped me tailor messages that get 40% more responses. For my editing service clients, the plagiarism checker and style consistency tools let me confidently process to 100,000 words monthly at premium rates. Non-native English speakers, this could be your unfair advantage in competing with native writers. Here's how these 5 AI tools create a complete money-making ecosystem. Writer Me generates our content. Grammarly perfects it. Play HD gives it a voice. Generated photos provides visuals. and InVideo turns it all into professional videos. This system now generates $12,000 monthly across multiple income streams with minimal ongoing effort. The real beauty: each component makes the others more valuable. The AI-written scripts improve our video quality, which boosts our YouTube earnings, which funds better AI tools, creating an upward spiral of income growth. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. Will you watch from the sidelines or harness these tools to build your ideal income? If you're ready to start, do 3 things. First, like this video so others can discover these strategies. Second, comment I feature below. I'll respond personally with bonus resources. Third, subscribe because next week we're revealing how to combine these tools with ChatGPT for even more powerful results. Your future of AI-powered income starts today.